Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the help documents available through the chat icon and FM dashboard. To get started, click the chat icon. From there, enter a keyword or phrase related to the topic you need help with, then click the search icon. For contractor users, a great example is searching for accepting work order. The system will return relevant help documents related to accepting work orders and other related contractor workflows. Once the results are displayed, you can expand the document to review detailed instructions and guidance. Many help documents include a step-by-step process that walks you through the tasks, making it easy to find answers and complete your work without leaving the portal. This feature provides quick access to helpful resources whenever you need assistance using FM Dashboard.